Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. So in today's video, as you can see, we have an unboxing. I am so excited about this one. Anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuing support. And let's get into this unboxing. Okay, everybody, as you guys can see the box on this table, I am excited. I don't know why I'm so excited about this item. Anyway, can you guys take a guess while I try to unbox it? Alrighty, let's get right into it. So this actually just came, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys before I even take it. So this is definitely like a true unboxing. I didn't take it out the box or anything. And I'll basically go into the details of this item and how I was able to actually save 20% on it. And it's a brand new item, okay? So I did get this from Neiman Marcus, and it looked a little bit nice wrapped, so I'm not going to complain about that. Can you guys take a guess of what it is? I think if you've been around my channel, you probably might have an idea of what this is and why I'm excited about it. So without any further ado, and stop talking, let's get into this. As you can see, it's already picking out. Let me get the... Yes, it's from Coach. It's been a little while since I did an unboxing from Coach. But, guys, I think just looking at it, you probably can tell what it is. But, let's see. Okay, this actually came fully factory wrapped, so perfect. You guys know how Coach factory wrap is. It's a million and a mile a day. So I got the... Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let's get this item. I definitely know I'm keeping it. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with it. Yes, guys, so I got the Coach Cassie in the denim. So you guys know Coach just released their new denim line. Let me zoom into it so you guys can see it more. Okay, right here. So I did get the Cassie 19 in the denim. Guys, I was so excited, and we know Coach brought a whole bunch of different denim items in different styles and everything. So I actually wanted to get the Cassie 19. You guys know my love for the Cassie. I do have... I think I had like maybe 2 or 3 Cassies. Now I only have one, plus this would make the second one. I had a cherry one that I end up selling to actually a subscriber that wanted it. But guys, so I did get the Cassie 19 in the denim. Oh my god, I am so excited about this. So I do have like I think I only have one more denim piece, which is from where is it from? It's from YSL. I'll bring that out as well so you guys can see. So this one is the new Coach denim, but so the strap, as you know, the Coach Cassie actually comes with 2 straps. It comes with the chain strap and also comes with the shoulder strap. So with the straps and everything, it's more indigo. I think that's what they call it. But I'm not really what's the name, a strap kind of girl, like a leather strap kind of girl. I think I more do the chain strap instead of the denim strap. I mean the leather strap. But this is what it looked like. I am so excited to actually have this bag in my possession. So as you guys can see, usually they wrap it like this to kind of keep it fresh and everything. And honestly, I know some people have been kind of like wasn't sure about this, but this is actually really sturdy made. Let me see, I think, is this a glue or something? Okay, I gotta see what this little mark is on here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. So anyway, as I stated, I did get this from actually Neiman Marcus, and through Rakuten I was able to get a 20% cash back. So in so many sense, I saved 20% off the bag, because Rakuten was running a special where if you I think Nina Marcus had a 20% cash bag, so I did use that option so I can actually pick up this bag. And guys, this bag is, I think this bag is so beautiful. I know Coach actually came up with their the tabby quilted in the denim, and I see a lot of people unboxing it and things like that. Also, a lot of people unboxing the Cassie 19 as well, in the denim. And I mean, I think honestly this is such a beautiful bag. You guys know my love for Cassie. If you've been around my channel, I love the Cassie. I do have also the Cassie in the Tiffany blue that Coach came out with, was it last summer or something like that? So I do have that Cassie 19. So this is going to be my second Cassie 19, and I really wanted this type of denim. I think this denim is just so unique. I'm probably definitely going to spray this with the Carbon Pro, just so it doesn't transfer like colors or anything to my light clothes. And also I don't want it to get like color transfer, even though it's denim and stuff like that. You can get away a lot with it, but the bag look good, honestly speaking. The only thing I see is the little mark right here, but it's not even visible or anything, so I think I can get away with it. There really isn't any pop stitching nowhere, and that's one thing I was concerned about, because I know a lot of people are talking about like pop stitching and things like that, so I was a little worried about it. But this bag is in great condition, no pop stitching, nothing in, no like nothing out of place, which is really good. Let me see if I can cut this strap, because I really do want to show it to you guys so you guys know what the strap look like. Let me get that. And you guys know, if you Coach, one thing about Coach, when it's factory wrap, they're gonna wrap it all right. So it does come with the small strap, which is, the color is indigo. That's what it is. So that usually, if you guys are new to the Cassie 19, it does have this strap right here, which is the indigo color right here. And then it comes with the longer strap. Let me get that. So you guys can see this is really a true unboxing, nothing unwrap or anything. And then sometimes you can actually tell them to not factory wrap it, but me, I really like it factory wrap, because I know it's coming really good. And then they do have this really nice chunky chain that comes with the Cassie 19 as well. And then finally, last but definitely not least, is the longer strap. So let me get the longer strap. Okay. And the longer strap you can actually wear crossbody if you wanted to. But a lot of time when I wear my Cassie 19, I usually just wear with the chain strap and not with even the long strap. So that's I've always done that. Okay guys, ooh, this is really wrapped. Okay. So as we see right here, so if you do order this online, it will say the indigo, it won't say Coach Denim, it says indigo. So just FYI, if you want to order it online on Nina Marcus, it says Coach Cassie indigo because of the color. So it doesn't say Coach Cassie Denim. Okay, so kind of keep that in mind if you are going to order it from Nina Marcus. Okay. All right. So as you guys see, sorry, I just needed to get all of this unwrapping. This is the true beauty of it. And as I told you guys, the only other denim piece that I have is my YSL. And let me just unzoom it just a little bit so you guys can kind of see. Okay, I think this is good. So this is the Coach Cassie 19, and as you can see, the denims are completely different. So with the YSL one, it's more of kind of like that darker wash, pale, more in the gray tone family, while the Coach one is like the raw denim. It's like the light blue jean denim. So these are the two denim bags that I actually have in my collection now. This one I just purchased that, and I've been using this like non-stop. It's just an easy grab and go, and I think honestly denim actually really lasts a really good time, a really long time if you take care of it. So these are the two denim that I have. As you can see, they're both completely different colors, and different vibe. I feel like this is more like fall winter type, because it kind of have like, even though it has the gray undertone, is more a little bit darker, as you can see right here, while this is more like summery kind of denim. So I'm super excited to have both in my collection. Like I said, I'm gonna probably spray this one. I didn't spray it with Carbon Pro, but this one is so light that I feel like I need to spray it. So this is what it looked like right here, and I think it's just so beautiful. Like, what do you guys think? Are you guys, and this is the right here, so it says Denim Cassie 19, but when you try to order it on Nina Marcus, it says indigo. So this is what the retail price is $2.95, but as I told you guys, I got like 20% cash back from Rakuten. So I paid like if we take the amount, like $240 or $230 something, that's how much I paid for this bag, and I completely love it, guys. I think this is such great quality. And I know some people were saying that, I've seen like on the blogs and stuff like that, that this just feel like cardboardy. I honestly don't feel that way. I feel like it's really, like, you can tell it's a really great denim that they use on this bag, and I just love everything about it. Look at the stitching, guys. Like, there isn't anything out of place, guys. Like, I love, and that's one thing I could tell you. I've always even said this, even in the video that I made regarding if Coach is luxury. Coach quality, honestly speaking, it rivals or even beat most of these high-end brand, and this is just another clear example of how amazing Coach actually execute a certain design or a certain material. We know, like, Coach denim, they're always like sold out and everything. So I really wanted to get this Cassie 19. Honestly, when I saw this, I fell in love with it. And you guys know I only said I needed 4 bags for the year, but this was I wasn't expecting to buy this, honestly speaking, but it's such a great surprise that I'm happy that I actually purchased it. Guys, look at this denim. Look at this denim piece. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Like, I'm still trying to just examine. There isn't anything out of place, no stitching, nothing. The execution is just chef's kiss, perfect. And I love the fact that they did the indigo right here. I feel like it's so different because it gives it more of that darker thing. And even the piping, so the piping is in the indigo color. As you can see, the leather piping is in the indigo, while the whole bag itself is more in that light denim, which I feel like is such a great complement with this color. I just think it just goes so great with each other. And even on the inside, as you can see, it kind of have like that darker blue color with the, as you can see right here. Sorry guys, just wanted to make sure nothing is thing. No, this is good. See guys, this is so well made. Like, and then it has like more of the same color material. I just think this is so beautiful. So like I was saying, some people were kind of like, oh well, it feel like cardboardy. Honestly, I don't think it feel cardboardy. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I was kind of expecting that. I was like, oh, maybe it might feel cardboardy and everything, but it actually feel really good for what it is. I feel like it feel really good, and for the price, you can't beat that. So anyway guys, this was the video for today. I just wanted to do my quick Coach denim, and I love this denim, and I love the fact that it doesn't have, I know the other denim that sold out in the I forgot the name of the style, but I know that I didn't like it because it had all of the CC all over it. I just love how this denim is so plain, so you can dress it up, dress it down, however you want to wear it. And so now I feel like my denim collection is more complete because now I have kind of like a dark gray wash, and then I have a light wash. So anyway guys, this was the video for today. See you in the next one. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.